Welcome to J. Radharami!
Isang gabing gutom na naman at napadaan kami sa Jupiter. Instead of our usual Japanese ramen, we finally decided to go to Bagwings. Located at number 22 Jupiter Street, Makati, other branches are in Ortigas, Pasig, Bacoor, Cavite, Manila, and Binyan, Laguna. Is this stairway to heaven? Kakaiba lang talaga dahil pababa at hindi pa taas. Spaghetti ba to? Anyway, let's enter. Pagpasok mo, hindi mo maiisip na nagkamali ka. Sa laki ba naman ng sulat eh? The menu is very visible on the wall. I really appreciate yung pictures kasi minsan, doon ka talaga makaka-decide if you want it or not. Mayroon din silang solo or sharing options for original, Pinoy favorites, anything with bagong, and merienda. If prefer nyo ang silog sa gabi, pwede din naman. May free coffee pa. They also have party size options when needed. Pangpulutan man o kwentuhan lang. Pili lang kayo guys. So para kakaiba, we went for the sharing size of Sisig Maynila. And while waiting, this gave me a chance to roam around. Actually, kami lang ang tao at around 7 p.m. So I'm not sure if maaga ba kami or late na. Pero ang hindi tumitigil sa pagpasok ay ang mga Food Panda and Grab Kuya riders. Our sizzling sisig came just in time. And as a treat, here's a slow motion of calamansi squeeze. Medyo bitin, kaya isa pa. This place is perfect for a hangout spot ng barkada to have some drinks, as it is giving these chill vibes where you just want to relax and talk with friends. It's now time to mix. Now we're all done. Eto na, tikman natin. Masarap siya. Lalo na kung talagang nag-crave ka ng sisig sa araw na yon. At isa lang masasabi ko. Tara! Lamon!